Let's be honest. As the year ends, a lot of us are thinking the same thing: I need extra money. Not next year, not someday, but now. Maybe it's holiday debt. Maybe it's rising grocery prices. Maybe you just want breathing room when January hits. And here's the good news: you don't need special skills. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to quit your job. In this video, I'm breaking down real side hustles you can start before New Year, with little to no experience, and start making money fast. No hype. No scams, no six figures in 30 days. Just practical ways everyday people are earning extra income. Let's get into it. What zero skills really means. When people hear zero skills, they assume it means zero effort. That's not true. Zero skills means no degree required, no certification needed, no advanced tech knowledge, you learn as you go. These are hustles based on things you already do every day: time, organization, consistency. And if you can follow instructions, you can do these. Side hustle number 1, freelance task work. Our first category is task-based work. Think doing small jobs for people who don't have time. Examples: running errands, assembling furniture, cleaning garages, yard cleanup, moving help. You don't need experience, just reliability. People pay $20 to $40 per hour for basic help. Even 5 hours a week can bring in an extra $400 to $600 a month. Start locally. Neighborhood apps, community boards, word of mouth. Side hustle number 2, delivery without a car. Most people think delivery jobs require a car. They don't. Options include walking deliveries, bike deliveries, store pickup helpers. Average earnings range from $15 to $25 per hour plus tips. Why it works before New Year. People are exhausted. Cold weather, busy schedules. They'd rather pay than do it themselves. Side hustle number 3, reselling items you already own. This one is overlooked but powerful. Reselling old clothes, shoes, electronics, toys, home decor. If it's sitting unused, it's frozen cash. Most households can easily make $300 to $1,000 just by selling unused items. You already paid for it. Selling it is recovering money, not losing it. Once you're comfortable, you can resell thrifted items. No skill, just patience. Side hustle number 4, digital microtasks. This category won't make you rich, but it's reliable. Microtasks. Examples include data tagging, content moderation, transcription, survey participation. Pay ranges from $10 to $20 per hour. Not glamorous, but flexible. This is perfect if you want quiet, solo work while watching TV or late at night. Side hustle number 5, local service hustles. Local services are where zero-skill hustles shine. Examples: pet sitting, dog walking, house sitting, trash bin cleaning, snow shoveling, holiday light removal. Many of these pay per visit, not per hour. One neighborhood can easily bring in $500 plus per month. Why it works. Trust matters more than skill. If people trust you, they'll pay you. Side hustle number 6, content support. No creativity required. You don't need to be an influencer to work online. Creators need help. Examples: comment moderation, caption posting, scheduling content, inbox sorting. $15 to $30 per hour. You're following instructions, not creating. This is perfect if you're organized and consistent. How to choose the right hustle. Don't try to do everything. Choose based on your schedule, your energy, your comfort level. If it feels overwhelming, it's the wrong one. Your first hustle should feel easy, not impressive. How to start before New Year. Here's the part that matters most. You don't need to wait. Tonight you can. Clean out one drawer, sign up for one platform, post one local offer, ask one neighbor. Momentum beats perfection. You don't need more motivation. You need movement. Extra money changes how January feels. It changes stress. It changes options. It changes confidence. If one of these hustles stood out to you, start there. Thanks for watching. And here's to ending the year stronger than it started.